Ripped pants, moth holes, torn kids' clothing. What can you do? Don't fuss with messy glues, heavy sewing machines, or old-fashioned needle and thread. Ditch the sewing and make the switch to No Stitch. No Stitch is the easiest way to hem, mend, and fix your clothes ever. Just sprinkle the specially formulated adhesive powder on the fabric. Apply the heat wand, and it's secure in seconds. No Stitch is like sewing without the sewing. Need to hem a pair of pants? No problem. Fix a torn shirt? No problem. Important job interview and you need to get out the door? With No Stitch, it's no problem. You can fix any clothing quickly and easily. No Stitch is unlike any other repair kit. Make a mistake? Just place the heat wand on the fabric, and like magic, the hem comes undone so you can make it perfect. With glue adhesives, you need to wait forever. But No Stitch turns that same tear into an easy repair. And No Stitch is so strong it will never dissolve or come loose wash after wash after wash. No Stitch works on any fabric, from heavy denim to delicate silk. But No Stitch does so much more. Rip curtains? Say it ain't so. With No Stitch, they're as good as new in an instant. Burn tablecloth? No Stitch fixes it quickly and easily. No Stitch comes with the No Stitch heat wand and a 6-ounce bottle of adhesive powder, enough to repair hundreds of garments. Ditch the sewing and make the switch to No Stitch, the easiest way to hem, mend, and fix your clothes ever.